Yeah, I'm Dr. Vivek Chopra. I'm from Astro Vastu World. I'm an astrologer, Vastu consultant, numerologist, and a palmist.
So, receiving this award once again after 1 year, how does it feel?
Receiving the award after 1 year, it was a very, very warm and a comfortable feeling for me. And that too, receiving it from Soha Ali Khan, a person from a royal family, it was altogether a very different thing. And I'm really very happy to receive it. And I'm sure there would be many more in the years to come. I'm going to receive few more awards during this particular month from other organizations as well. So hopefully this 2014 is going to give me lots of pleasure, happiness, prosperity. Thank you.
So, last year you assured that you would be working to make people understanding a scientific view towards astrology, numerology, and Vastu. So, how much you already achieved?
Look, I'll tell you, I have been working on it for not from today, but from last almost 15-20 years. I actually try to work out the concepts where astrological sciences based on the planetary study, directional studies, constellation studies, or the elemental studies has worked. And I found that it is not something which is religion based. So what I did was I tried to find out those indexes, those coordinates, those permutation combinations of planets and constellations, their science behind how are their particular movements going to affect an individual, how are those particular things going to affect the businesses, how are those indexes going to affect the countries, the politics, the sports, everything. We have been working hard on that. People are understanding that religion and science are two different things. It's as good as a person is getting a surgery done in a hospital. The religious belief is that family members staying outside that particular ICU unit, they pray to God that whatever the doctor is doing, do it correctly, let it happen correctly, let the particular family member come back, healthy. So this is the religious part, but the science is what the medical person is doing inside. Same is in astrology. Yes, prayers, meditation, the other things they work, but actually it is a science which works on directions, elements, planets and constellations. So my sole motto was to make people understand what is the importance of the scientific view, and I'm really happy to see my clients, the people where I go and give lectures, presentations, workshops, people are understanding the scientific view. They are trying to understand not every color is good for them, not every direction is good for them, not every planet is good for them, and then they are adopting those things which are good for them. So it is really good. It is really, really good. People are understanding it, and if my own people, my fellow people will be healthy, will be successful, India is going to grow. So I want to see India on the top.
So if I ask you, how have you made your brand better than competition? So how would you say?
Wonderful question. And I would say that the competition is must, because they actually inspire you to grow and to work harder. Competition, I would say in India, it's working and it is very important. But because we have the scientific view towards the science, because we work on the logics, because we are not a orthodox organization, because we do not only and only give them the religious remedies, we feel that when we actually touch the scientific part of the astrological sciences or Vastu sciences, we are sure to get results. Those may take some time. It may take a week's time, a month's time, a year's time. But whenever those results start flowing, they are irreversible. So the particular thing is that once a person starts getting those positive aura and that negativity is removed, a person starts living a very healthy and a positive life, successful life. And this is what we are doing here.
Okay. So what are the growth plans of yours?
With the same motto, we have the same particular motto of educating the people on the positive side of the particular planets and constellations. We will try to organize more workshops, more presentations, more consultations in different particular cities, towns and other countries, where we go and actually educate people on the scientific part of astrology. I can understand that today the present state of planets are not very healthy. You can see it from the politics, you can see it from the other particular market trends across the particular world. The economy was a trouble for people, but we have now overcome that particular thing. In the days to come, we will have more particular comfortable planets working for every individual. So my motto is going to be the same. I want people to understand the scientific view towards these sciences and make them more successful.
Is there any message would you like to convey to the audience?
The message is, yes, whichever religion you belong to, follow your religious ethics. That is very important, but keep a hold on the science. Understand which are your sleeping directions, which are your facing directions. Understand what colors you should wear, what you should not wear. Understand which metals you should use, which metals you should not use, which gems you should use, which gems you should not use. And moreover, you should understand whether you are going through a good period today as per your birth charts, or you are going through a bad period. If you are going through a bad period, my simple request and recommendation to all people is immediately see an astrologer, take up your remedy, do those particular things, what he is recommending, perform the remedies and come out of those bad times, those issues. Yeah.
Thank you so much. It was nice talking to you.
Same here.
Congratulations once again.
Same here. It was a pleasure.